Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make stock image animation. Full guide. Start by organizing your images, choosing an aspect ratio, and setting a consistent resolution. Create a project folder and import all assets, then name layers clearly so you can find them fast. Decide on pacing and keyframes before animating to avoid rework. Keep a backup of originals and save incremental versions so you can experiment without losing progress. In this video, I will explain how to make stock image animation. Full guide. Start by laying out your first scene and setting keyframes for position, scale, and opacity to create basic motion. Apply easing to keyframes to make movement feel natural, and stagger animations to guide attention. Preview at full speed to check rhythm, then refine timing until transitions feel effortless and the composition supports the story you want to tell. In this video, I will explain how to make stock image animation. Full guide. Quick note, if you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support my work. Quick recommendation. I picked up these great leak-proof containers that make meal prep easier, and they honestly saved me time between edits. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and if you snag one, let me know how it works. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to make stock image animation. Full guide. Start styling by matching color temperature and contrast across images to create cohesion, then add subtle parallax for depth using separate layer movement. Apply consistent overlays or grain to blend seams and maintain a unified look. Use masks sparingly for reveal effects and test on different displays to ensure the final tone and texture read well across devices.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.